Welcome to the channel, Pan-Range Case Studies. We hope that the case studies mentioned here will benefit you in your daily life. How to grow your business with intelligent automation. Staying relevant and cutting edge in the business world is a struggle for businesses in any industry. Technology, including intelligent automation, is continually evolving. Businesses must change with it in order to be competitive and successful in our current macroeconomic world. The use of intelligent automation tools can help grow your business and improve how your business operates, reducing your operating costs while improving your production time. Reducing human error. One of the most important benefits that intelligent automation brings to any business is the reduction of human error in the workplace. People are naturally affected by their daily lives and outside influences. If a worker, for example, came into work tired or unwell, his or her job performance will likely suffer, the risk of human error becoming greater. Automation software cannot be affected by time of day, mood, lack of sleep, etc., allowing it to be completely consistent in performing the task it was programmed to do. Additionally, humans need to be taught new tasks and require practice in order to master them. Robotic process automation can be updated and perform the tasks instantly. In terms of business benefits, utilizing intelligent automation tools ensures performance consistency that will ultimately improve the overall quality of work, also allowing human workers to focus on higher priority and more important issues that require critical thinking. Keeping jobs local. Employers have often ventured overseas to hire workers in other countries who can then perform basic tasks at a reduced wage when compared to local employees. The bottom line can be better for these employers in the short term, though working with outsourced employees means sending money overseas and trying to manage workers on another continent. Typically, over the long term, businesses that outsource overseas can experience unforeseen issues and costs due to the complications with depending on a foreign workforce. With outsourced jobs being performed by intelligent automation tools, businesses can focus on hiring skilled workers from the local market for the upper levels of the workforce. Return on investment. Perhaps the most intimidating factor in implementing intelligent automation within your business is the upfront cost. Putting money into something new is not a leap everyone wants to make. Intelligent automation, however, is not a gamble. Research shows that companies who use are able to automate around half of their tasks, increasing process time by 50%. Completing tasks more quickly means companies can take on more tasks without spending additional time on them. Depending on the industry, having jobs done quickly can mean increased revenue. If performing redundant tasks quickly and accurately will not improve your company's revenue, just simply utilizing automation tools certainly will. Such tools do not need pay, employee benefits, and can work overtime. The return of investment becomes apparent when considering all the expenses intelligent automation does not require. Intelligent automation tools offer businesses unparalleled levels of productivity, efficiency, and value. Companies will want to avoid the risk of falling behind by adapting with the modern technology. The advantages of utilizing intelligent automation tools can lead companies to developing new business strategies they could have never even possibly conceived of previously. Thank you for watching.